Hạ Long Bay, one of the 7 new wonders of the world. A spectacular seascape scarfed up in nature over millions of years. Koto Islands, Vân Đồn Islands, bãi Tử Long Bay focused on the majestic views of the natural cave forming the central area of Hạ Long Bay. International visitors can now reach Hạ Long Bay via air from Nội Bài International Airport, Hà Nội or Cát Bí, Hải Phòng. Or move through the roads, very convenient, fast, or by the sea on a luxury international cruise. Let's start an exciting trip to Hạ Long Bay from Tuần Châu Islands. Charming islands in 1,969 large and small islands that create this natural wonder of the world. The beauty of Hạ Long is not only exposed in the shape of the mountain, watercolors, clouds, but also hidden inside the rocky islands. Sửng Sốt Cave is discreet and deep. Thiên Cung Cave is magnificent and fanciful, just like a dream. Hạ Long Bay has countless smooth, white sand beaches. From Hạ Long Beach to Tí Tốt Beach. Certainly, you must visit Cửa Vạn Fishing Village, Vung Vieng Fishing Village, when coming to Hạ Long, just 20 kilometers south of the Bãi Cháy tourist spot, where residents live by the sea and preserving the cultural and spiritual values imbued with the marine elements of Hạ Long Bay. One of the many unique occupations of residents of Hạ Long fishing villages is pearl culture. Tourists rarely leave without shopping for a lovely gift from the sea. Trip to experience Hạ Long Bay will become unique with luxury cruise classed in Hạ Long. Guests will have memorable moments throughout life when the sunrise comes bright or the sunset is so romantic. One night wake with the sea or fast asleep in the salty breeze between the immense wave of water. That is a special thing that Hạ Long gives you. Don't forget the opportunity to enjoy the panoramic view of Hạ Long Bay from boat with seaplane. Simply, you'll never forget this feeling. Choose for yourself one of the many luxury hotels in Hạ Long to enjoy the perfect holiday and comfort before you start exploring all the unique features of this beautiful land. Quảng Ninh Museum place give visitors a fullest view about Quảng Ninh land and people through many historical periods. When you're coming in through mountain, definitely Do not ignore the historical story of the famous king of Vietnam, Trần Nhân Tông, and the source of this holy place. It will be a very different feeling when visitors spend time with Bình Liêu and Indic village. And if lucky, visitors will be immersed in the unique festival, infatuated with people on these richly identifiable lands. Attractions can make visitors never forget this heritage land. Truly, what makes tourists will want to return to this place is the open, sincere Hạ Long smiles. Experience Hạ Long Bay, a natural wonder of the world.